Hi loves, welcome to another video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you subscribe, share it with your friends, you know the drill. Today I'm gonna be taking you through the process of creating this glowy sun-kissed look. I love this look. I struggle with acne and a lot of texture, so I stay away from this type of looks, but I really enjoy how healthy they look on my skin. So if you wanna see how I created this look, keep on watching. I'm beginning with the Farsali Unicorn Essence. This is a radiant but very lightweight primer. I love this one because it adds a glow to my skin and it also hydrates my skin and it leaves a slight tacky finish, perfect for foundation to go on top. I'm gonna be using the NYX Tinted Skin Veil. I usually don't gravitate toward these products, but you guys, this one is a good one. It's very lightweight. I first apply it and then go over it with a sponge to eliminate any brush strokes. Since that left my skin with only low coverage and a thin layer of product, I go over my imperfections, which there are a lot. I have a lot of acne scars, but anyways, I go over my imperfections with a concealer. I do this when I want just very thin layers, very little product on my skin. It's better to add less layers and spot conceal. And I really enjoy the ColourPop No Filter Concealer because it's my dead-on match on the shade Light 14. Quickly after adding concealer, I'm gonna set my entire face, starting under my eyes to prevent any creasing. And yes, I am going for a glowy look, but I do set my entire face because you guys, I need that coverage to stay. And this is where I add more luminosity to my skin. Taking this Milani illuminating powder, I just add a thin layer all over my skin, avoiding a little bit my cheeks because I do have enlarged pores that I am not trying to illuminate. To add some color back into my skin, I'm taking my bronzer and I'm dusting all over the perimeter of the face and also my eyes to define my crease and my lower lash line so everything looks put together, cohesive, you know what I mean. At this point, I'm gonna give a quick setting to all these powder products, and after that I'm gonna tap with my sponge, making sure everything looks light skin again. With my skin still slightly wet, I'm gonna apply this Milani powder. You guys, I use this as highlighter all the time. I think it's too glowy just to use it as a setting powder. Anyways, just to keep it between you and me, lately I've been enjoying turning my pimples into beauty spots whenever they are a little bit too raised or too bumpy. I just do this. And now loves, this is the product that gives me that I've been to the beach look. First I take Paraíso and I add it to my cheeks and forehead, parallel to where I added my bronzer. Then I mix Castaway and Scorcher, and this is what gives me mostly that sun-kissed I've been to the beach sort of look. I am dusting these two blushes all over, and you guys, I mean all over my cheeks, the apples of my cheeks, my nose, all over my forehead, my chin. And I love these blushes, you guys, because I truly do burn this color when I go to the beach. To continue adding to this look, I want to give sort of a wet effect to my eyes, so I'm gonna take first this L'Oreal shadow and I'm gonna add it as a base all over my lid, and as you can see, it looks kind of like my skin but wet. To add dimension, I'm gonna add this chrome paint from Tarte in the center of my lid and my inner corners. These shadows are so beautiful, so metallic, I love them. Quickly, I'm gonna add a cream color to my waterline, and that does not look pretty on camera, my friend. I'm lining my lips with my Gerard Cosmetics nude lip liner, and I'm also filling in a little bit my lips, just tapping the lip liner all over. Let's add some juiciness to my lips with this Fenty lip gloss in the color Fenty Glow. I love this lip gloss. The formula, it's amazing. And I'm taking it, as you can see, to the borders of my lips. This is something that I saw Scott Barnes do, and I really like it because it kind of adds volume to my lips. And if by any chance you don't know who Scott Barnes is, it's J-Lo's makeup artist. Before curling my lashes and applying mascara, I'm using this NYX brown eyeliner to tightline. This adds fullness to my lash line. I just love this trick, it's really nice. And finally I'm gonna do my brows to complete this look, and I'm drawing little hairs with my Urban Decay brow blade and setting my hairs in place with a clear brow gel. And you guys, that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!